Hi, it's Darnell with Whale Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up French toast in the NuWave Breville XL Smart Oven Air Fryer. This is a smart oven air fryer that does some pretty good work on foods, so let's see how it does with French toast right now. Alright, so my ingredients for this French toast in the NuWave Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer are 2 large eggs, half a cup of buttermilk, teaspoon of ground cinnamon, actually a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first step is to just get all the ingredients whisked together here. So I'm just going to get things whisked up, first the eggs, then put another ingredient, keep whisking until they're all whisked together. Alright, so I got my French toast batter all made up. For my bread for this French toast, I made some strawberry cream bread in my bread machine. So basically I'm going to be using 2 slices of the strawberry cream bread. Of course, you know the bread from the bread machine is very large. And also got, when I start to cook, I'm going to be using the air fryer basket for the NuWave Breville XL Smart Oven Air Fryer. And I'm going to have the baking pan that's lined with foil on a rack underneath to catch drippings. I'll have the air fryer basket on the 3rd rack up from the bottom. So just going to go ahead and pour my French toast batter into this pan here with my bread. I'm just going to work to get my bread all well mixed up in the batter. Of course, if you like to let your bread set in the French toast batter overnight, that is an option. You can use whatever type of bread is your preference. So just going to let this set for a moment and just kind of soak in on the side, and I flip, let it soak in on the opposite side some, let it soak in that batter pretty good on both sides. And like I said, you can just let it set to the length of time of your personal preference, however long you like to let your bread set in the batter. Just make sure you get it all wet. I just noticed a little spot. I wanted to make sure it gets nice and moist. And just play with the sides a little bit, get those nice and wet as well. Now I'm just going to set this piece here in the air fryer basket. Just spin this one on the sides a little bit. Get it in the air fryer basket as well. Alright, now that I've got everything in there, slide this over here. Gonna get the Smart Oven Air Fryer open. Try and keep my baking pan just underneath. Don't want any drippings getting on the bottom of my Smart Oven. This will probably also work in like the Breville Smart Oven Air, the Power Air Fryer Oven 360, and other convection toaster ovens. This same type of thing will probably work in those as well. So I turned the NuWave Breville on. I hit the menu button to go to air fry. I'm going to up the temperature to 425, make it hot. And I'm going to set the time to down to just 6 minutes. And now I'm going to hit the start button. I'm going to let that go ahead and cook, and I'll bring you back. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds. I'm going to hit off when it runs out so we don't get any extra beeping. Just turn the light on in there. Let's open up. There we have some finished French toast. Alright, I'm going to check the opposite side of this French toast. Let's see how well it's cooked. It's got some cook on the opposite side also. It's a little moist. So looks like the opposite side didn't cook as fully as the top side. I usually don't like to have to flip when it comes to things in the Smart Oven air fryer, but in this case, I probably could have maybe cooked it longer on one side, but I'm going to go ahead and flip and stick it back in. Now I'm going to turn it back on, go to air fryer, back to 425, and I'm going to give it about 4 minutes on this side. So you could do 10 minutes and do 6 pause flip if you want to. So let it run like this for 4 minutes and I'll bring you on back. Alright, we're coming to the final seconds and I'm going to hit the off button so that it doesn't beep too much. I will say I wouldn't do 5 and 5 on each side because it looked like that top side at first needed the 6 minutes. At 5 minutes it was still a little undercooked in my opinion, but now we have 5 on each side. Well, I mean 6 on one side, 4 on the other, 10 minutes total. So with the 10 minutes total, splitting it between 6 minutes on one side, 4 on the other, this is our finished outcome on this side. I'm just going to tap right here. It is cooked. It is no like sogginess or anything. Just going to try and flip this over. So you see that flip side there. So we've got fully cooked French toast on both sides. Sorry about that noise there. Gonna get the French toast on the plate. So there we have our fully cooked French toast from the NuWave Breville XL Smart Oven Air Fryer, which is a convection toaster oven. Let me give you a closer look there. Alright, gonna close this up. Now I'm going to do a quick cut of a piece. You know, I like to taste test straight up, but you know, condiments and all can be added later, and you can use any condiments of your choice. But I'm just gonna take a slice there for a taste test. So let me get the camera swap and do a taste test of this French toast. Alright, our French toast from the NuWave Breville. Gonna do a quick taste test. Very good results. Very good French toast there. I definitely recommend you try this one. And you can find this other recipes in written form at superwaveovenrecipes.com. On Twitter, I'm at Wave Oven Recipes. If you go to waveovenrecipes.com, it'll bring you right to the front of this YouTube channel. Also, pictures will be on Instagram at Wave Oven Recipes. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and good eating.